Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up your online immigration custom ED form and electronic travel authorization for travel to St. Kitts and Nevis using their St. Kitts and Nevis electronic border management system. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened the St. Kitts and Nevis electronic border management system. Okay, official portal, it's written here. So once you're ready, click on get started. One is for citizens and one is for tourists. So I select for tourist. Okay. Before you apply, it lists down what you need. Picture, okay, and your passport, then your picture, your trip information, some questions, and then pay for your application. Okay. And these are the payment cards they accept. All right. So click on continue, read terms and condition, and then accept it. And this is second one is an optional giveaway offer, so not required to be. But yeah, it's up to you. Individual, if you're traveling alone, group, you're alone. Select your country of your residence, okay, where you live and pay taxes. Okay, so I select this one. So first is passport information. Okay, guys, so you upload your passport, then in the same way you can upload your photo also. And if you have a webcam, you can select that option too. Next comes your contact details. Sample example, you do it as per your own case. This is your contact details, phone, email, place. Okay, please select nearest location. So I'll just select wow. Occupation. Okay. Emergency contact is optional, but I highly recommend do it. In fact, you can add multiple too. But because it's just a sample video, that's why I'm leaving it, but please put it. Purpose of travel. I select vacation. That's what I wanted to. Arrival date. So let's say I'm coming here and I select arrival by air, airline. Wow. For the country of origin, country of trip, country of the trip's origin. Departure details. When you will depart from means your return date. Okay. So let's say this. Airline again, Air Canada. They have all the information. Destination country. Address. Date. You can add manually also. So I'll click add manual. It's hard. Wow. So here, uh, so if you're staying like more than one place, you can always click on add address and add that. But just sample, guys. How many pieces of luggage is a travel party bringing? So I select 2. What is your marital status? What island you will be staying in? Select send kids. Next. Next, list any country you have or will be traveling in the next 30 days prior to arrival. Okay, fine. In past 30 days, have you had any of the following symptoms: cough, fever, flu like? I select no. Are you buying fruit plants, pharmaceuticals, arms, ammunition, commercial merchandise, monetary instruments? Oh, continue. So here you have to confirm the declaration and read and understand, and then you go to continue and where you pay the fee and submit this declaration. But definitely I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.